so basically right now we're going to Mr. DIY. We're gonna do the 50 ringgit challenge. Kidding me? So yeah, let's see what we get. Mostly we're gonna find stuff for Zara. Bob the Builder. So now we're in the earphone section. They have some phone cases here. They have like clear and stuff. They also have like mouse if you want a mouse. And here we have some plants, like small plants, but they're all fake, so that's good. This one is actually like this at Kaison, but yeah, this one looks a little bit different from the Kaison one. The Kaison one is a lot bigger and not like this. They have like really small flowers and succulent stuff like that. Fake grass. Oh, this is a pot. I want to get this for my plants. I don't know what color I should get though. This is cute. Yeah, this is really cute. I don't have a basket though. I didn't get a basket. I'm gonna go get a basket now. They have some clocks here too. And some extension wires. What's this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, like a torch light. They have a table. That is. I think people use that when they go camping. Watches. Squishies. This was so popular back then. They have so many kinds, bro. I think Zara has that. Some glasses. Allah. Neighbors. Oh, they have cat food here. That's cool. They have these things. Okay, so I bought this the other day. It's not that good. You guys should get these. These are better. Those are better too. Because this one, they have like storage boxes. I got this before. I think at Daiso, to keep my rainbow looms. You guys remember that phase? The rainbow loom phase. I'm just pushing my cart. This cart is so cute. Okay, they also have a white one. I want to get that one. Pink. Oops. Yeah, that's cute. I don't know if they have another white one. They don't. Oh, they have these tall ones too. These are nice. They're not that expensive as well. This is a lamp. Okay, I think we're done with this section. We've got three things secured. Pillows. They have all kinds of pillow here. Just making so much noise. I'm uncomfortable. Like rugs here too. Like, I think you can put these like in front of your house or like toilet. Yeah. And this, I don't know what this is. I think like you put your toothbrush or something. Flamingo rug. Kitchen stuff. They have pots and pans, like wow. That's amazing. They have more pots and pans. Look at this. What? And some baking stuff too. That's cool. Some plates and stuff. Party stuff. So much stuff. Water bottles. Tupperware. So much stuff here. Mugs, cups. That's actually really good because it's a big size. There are plates and stuff. Here we are.
I want to check the stuff at SSF.
Why, you don't find anything nice here?
I do, but I just want to see if there's anyone
Nice there?
better. Yeah, because that one is not exactly.
You don't want a mirror to put in your room? But you already have that mirror, right? The one that comes with the vanity. You want to say anything to my vlog?
I want to go to SSF.
Okay, wait I do my. Okay, so they have water bottles somewhere. And Downy and all. So if you want to get everything, it's all here. It really looks like I'm sponsored, but I'm not.
Can I show you a picture from you? It's okay.
Yeah, sure. Oh, look at this mirror. It's so cute. And small. Hair ties and stuff. Okay, this is what Zara wants.
This is the picture frame.
You want such a small picture frame? Why don't you get a bigger one?
No, I'm just going to get small, but a lot.
Oh, how many is a lot? Because your wall is big.
Yeah.
You should get like big.
No, because I want to put like. No, you will understand.
Okay. Just explain to the viewers.
So like, I'll get like. But I don't
Little
like,
ones?
Like the frame.
You don't like the frame? Why?
Yeah.
The color?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
I want it to be like seamless.
Seamless?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is what Zara might get, but she don't know yet.
Yeah,
Okay, now
so I
hold
have to
this.
go to SSF.
Okay, Zara, what do you think? Should I get 2 pink or 1 pink on white?
2 pink.
But I think I should just get this because it's... That is so creepy. Look at this. I should like try out the Mr. DIY makeup and like do a video on it. You don't like any other frames?
No.
You only like the one you showed me?
Yeah.
Or though. They have so many glass vase, but I'm so careless. I don't think I can get a glass vase. See, they have so many here. So many things. Now, which one should I get? Should I get the pink or... Should I get the pink? This is nice. Yeah? Yeah, I know why. Is that a Dior dupe? I think they meant Dior. They have like goggles too, right?
Squishy stuff.
This one, right? I have this exact same one at home. So yeah, it's really good. No, this is like a small version of it. Is this small? Or is it the same size as mine?
Same size.
Same size, right?
Yeah. But they also have these long ones right here. Hey, they also have these.
Yeah, but like this, I want to put it in like...
Are we done?
Wait.
My hands hurt.
Should I get 2 of the same one or different?
I don't know.
What are you doing there?
Stress ball things. They're
Yeah.
nice.
So guys, I'm getting 2 of the same one. So yeah. Should I get the pink, 2 pink or 1 white?
I don't know.
Because I have, you know, the for my side table. Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
You know, I have for my side table
But what are you gonna put in there?
the plant, the sticky one. You know the one that sticks up? Which one should I get? I think white is nice. Oh god. And they also have like mini car. We should get this for Iman.
Low key, I want it.
Really? That one?
No. Oh, that's cute.
They have like Nerf guns too.
Yeah, give me one.
Get you one?
Yeah. I'll battle you. We'll do it for a video. Can you get me this?
What's
I
that?
look, you want this? Oh my god, remember?
What's that?
When you were like a kid and then you would always play these things and you were like this.
You can write like your things that you have to do instead of buying a whiteboard. It's a magnet. But I don't have anything magnetic. Is my cover magnetic?
No.
It's not, right? Why are you vlogging the floor like the belly flats? That's cute. Look at this. Let's go out.
Try it out.
Then I should just get one.
Tula?
Let's go get this lah. The other one. Wallpaper. That's so nice.
No. It looks so ugly with your room.
It's not for my room. Right?
Why? Oh my god, Kermit the Frog.
Oh, look at the fluffy pillow. That's so pretty. Right, they have the pretty colors here.
Pretty colors here.
Pretty
Oh
colors.
wait, this is cute.
This is cute.
Real cute.
Okay, Zara's not upset with the pillows here. There's our cart. This girl is touching everything in a pandemic.
Sorry. You look so fluffy.
Fluffy. These are like more soft toys rather than pillows. Oh, this is like a white pillow. That's so pretty.
Those are so good.
But you can't really tell it's fluffy. Kan?
No, when you take it out, it's brand new. Oh my god, it'll match my room.
Yeah.
Should I get it?
But you have the pink pillow already.
The pink one doesn't match.
But you already have it.
But it doesn't match.
So what, you're gonna throw away your pink pillow so that it matches your room?
Now I'll sell it on eBay.
Sell it on eBay. Girl, you don't even know how to sell.
It's creepy.
Why are you squishing it?
Because it's creepy. This is cute, Kermit the Frog.
Zara, let's go find the
Oh my
thingies.
god, no.
I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah. But this is cute. This is cute. It's very cute.
So Zara's outfit is Burberry today, even though she's wearing slippers.
Burberry Kenzo.
My slippers, in fact.
Burberry Kenzo.
No, small lamp. Look at this.
No, cannot.
How do you on it?
It's called a waste of your money.
Oh my god.
It's called a waste of your money.
This is cute, lah. Cute, guys.
Is it ever black out?
But it's too small.
Yeah, exactly. That's why no one buys it. It's because it's too small.
You know they have a desk lamp in front there? Oh yeah, this is where I got my thing. My desk.
Sick. Oh my god, this is cute.
What you gonna put in? I want the white one, tapi tak ada dah. There, see? They don't have any more white one. Or should I get this big one, lah?
No, dude, look. Should I get like a thing for like pencils? But not here. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
To SSM.
And then later you want to come back here?
No? Oh yeah, probably.
My goodness. But we have to eat first lah. I'm so hungry.
No, we go to SSM.
Okay, let's go.
We didn't go to SSM.
Look at this. Wanna get this? I don't think this is 50 ringgit, but okay. Fan. Should we get a fan?
No.
Hand fan. For school.
We got one the other day.
Yeah.
Over here. Get the black one, see?
This is cute. Look at this. Guys, look at this.
Someone turned it on.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, happy birthday. What?
Chacha is so
It's a desk lamp.
Yeah.
Tak boleh.
Mine doesn't work. Maybe the battery good.
Yeah, they didn't put in battery.
Oh! Yeah, I showed you that. Doofus.
The one with the hand, with the stick, so that you can hold it. I think when we go to the counter, we can ask the person to test it. No, the one with the hand, like this.
No, this one has a strap.
Oh, that's cute.
Should I get this one?
Mm-hmm. But that, the dinosaur, no.
No, you can have this. It's a moon light.
Get this desk lamp.
Are you serious?
It's so small.
Look, it's amazing. Look at it. It's a moon. Who doesn't want that? But it's compact.
Oh. Oh, this? Somebody opened it.
Don't touch it.
Hey. She's like, hey.
I think it is. It's like a fairy light, but it has like clips on it, so you can clip your photos and stuff.
It's gonna look really ratchet after, you know, just like how the fairy lights look. I feel like fairy lights are like out now.
Call the light. RM50 Mr. 50 cents.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so our total was 52 ringgit and something cents, kan?
So we still